Everyone wants to hit that magic seven-figure number, the ultimate symbol of financial freedom, $1 million. But how do you get there fast? We're cutting through the noise and revealing the 3 fastest ways to hit your $1 million net worth goal. The first way is maximizing your career income by consistently getting raises, promotions, and jumping jobs for higher pay. Your early income years are your biggest wealth-building tool. The second fastest way is high-impact cost-cutting, meaning you focus solely on shrinking your 2 biggest expenses, housing and transportation. Cutting these costs quickly frees up huge amounts of cash for investing. And the third way is maintaining maximum investment consistency. You invest every single month, regardless of what the market is doing, letting compound interest do its heavy lifting over time. Master these 3 accelerators, and that $1 million goal will arrive much sooner than you think. Ready to learn the secrets to the $1 million milestone? Follow the channel and let's get you there fast.